Hey everybody, it is late at night and I am Norman. I have kidnapped David Schwartz's watch. So let us begin. Of course, I didn't really kidnap this watch. David Schwartz Jr. was kind enough to send his Schwartz Force over to my channel as well as others as part of a giveaway. And after I reached out to him to thank him and we chatted a bunch, he was kind enough to send me his Rocos R0139 so that I can review it and put it head to head with the watch that I personally own. So let's flip the camera around and I will unbox this watch, put it on my wrist, and share my first impressions of it with you. Okay, so here is the box that it arrived in. R0139 blue. And this tab is still on here. That's pretty cool. And Rocos. I believe that's how it's pronounced. That is what I'm going to go with in my videos covering it. Alright, let's open this thing up. And we have some paperwork here. The World of Rocos Watch. And a thank you. And we have a booklet. Cool photo. Nice. Couple more photographs. That's a pretty cool looking watch. And we have all the different languages. I like all the photographs in here. Ooh, debug instructions. Nice. You can debug your watch. Refundable process with a flow chart. I have no idea what it says. Maintenance instructions. A warm reminding. Here we go, I have some English here. Another cool photo, or two. Very cool. Warranty policy. Pay attention to water resistance and contact us. Very cool. And inside is the watch itself. Alright, let's take this out of here. It is on a very soft pillow. Oh man, this is nice and heavy. Wow. Slide it off of that pillow and get this out of the way. And there it is. Man, this feels really, really solid. That is crazy. So when this first arrived, I hadn't seen the full review that David Schwartz did on this. I saw a video where he was talking about it a bit, but I didn't catch how much he paid for this. And when I took it out of the box and was just going by feel, I assumed it was much more expensive than it is. I mean, this feels just solid. Crazy. Yeah, and it looks great too. I really like that blue. In some lights it's almost black. And I love the Nautilus details, like right there. That is so cool. This whole area around the crown is just awesome. That is so cool. Alright, let's put this on the wrist and see what it looks like. Oh, before I do, what is on my wrist currently? I am wearing the Smith's PRS 29A. Look at that great matte finished buckle on there. This is my Rios shell Cordovan strap because I like dressing up the Smiths. Look at that awesome crystal. I am still in a honeymoon phase with this watch. Incredibly. Love it. Well, let's get this off and we'll put on the Rocos. So here is the Rocos on my 7-inch wrist. It's a little bit loose, but not so much so that I haven't been able to experience it and enjoy that heft on the wrist. It makes its presence known, that is for sure. Oh, look at that blue. This is a really cool looking watch. All of its proportions are just spot on. And the case design kind of makes it look, I don't know, not smaller, but it doesn't look large. It's a 40 millimeter, so that is spot on. But yeah, it just looks perfectly sized and proportioned. You don't notice any thickness. As David pointed out, it kind of hides some of its thickness underneath. Kind of like the CWC does. So it actually looks like a fairly average thickness. Yeah, just kind of normal, not overly thin, but not too thick. I like it. That is amazing. It feels great. The band hasn't really pulled arm hair or anything. It is super fun to have on the wrist. I've really enjoyed my time with it. So there you have it, the unboxing of the Rocos R0139. And my first impressions of this watch? Really good. Embarrassingly, I've never seen a Nautilus in the flesh. Surely I've been to stores where the watch is there in the cases, but if it was a long time ago, I was looking for very specific dive watches. If it was more recently, I would have been looking for dress watches. So I've never had an occasion to seek out the Nautilus. However, seeing this watch in the flesh, it being an homage to the Nautilus, I completely understand the hype. Every time I think about this watch, I want to put it on. Keep your eyes open for my next video. We'll be doing a full review of this watch. Thanks for watching. Again, thanks so much to David Schwartz Jr. for lending me this watch to review and experience. And if you haven't already seen his channel, I've included a link in the description below. Be sure to head over there. He's super cool. His fans are amazing. And check out all his videos. If you love what you see, give him a like and a subscribe.